call Congress and say,
Carry as easy as buying a candy bar without a background check. Let that absorb for a second.
30 seconds, guys, feels like a long time, just so you know, in real time. And then after that, he'll bring it down, we'll slowly sink to the floor. Put a hand on a heart. You see how spaced out we actually have to be in a real case. Then count to 26 by yourselves.
Being a flash mob. It's fun. Take a picture of it.
Toma la foto, hombre.